Are you running WordPress sites and hunting for better core web vitals? Then listen up. Your site speed isn't just for a good user experience, it's critical for SEO, conversions, and the overall reputation of your online presence. Here's 10 of the most high-impact techniques to improve your core web vitals in WordPress. The first thing is page caching. Serve static HTML instead of dynamically generated content whenever possible to reduce load times. If you're storing cache on the server, be sure to use disk-enhanced storage. CDNs are another great option too, but make sure you're caching on the edge whenever possible. This reduces latency by delivering to the closest possible server to the visitor. Dynamic sites like WordPress constantly query the database. Redis can reduce that load on your website with persistent object caching. This keeps the objects on the memory between requests, allowing them to be served more quickly and efficiently. Fonts, banners, carousels, these can be a nice touch to your site. But if they're not implemented correctly, it can negatively affect your cumulative layout shift or CLS score. Always define dimensions and avoid layout shifts. Minify your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files by removing unneeded characters. This can accelerate page load times and overall performance. Using a WordPress plugin like W3 Total Cache can make the setup easy with just a couple steps. Concatenate or combine multiple CSS and JavaScript files into fewer files. This can help deliver your site assets faster with fewer requests. Eliminate render blocking resources by prioritizing the load order of your pages. This can be done using async and defer to control load timing. Your site can experience delays when using third-party scripts, especially if it's accessing items that are hosted elsewhere. Using Preconnect and Prefetch will instruct the browser how to handle this before fetching the asset. This can help remove the latency introduced by resolving a large number of DNS requests for assets in the background. Use WebP, strip metadata, resize dynamically per device, and enable lazy loading to improve your LCP. Tools like W3 Total Cache and CDNs can help you with this setup by automating the process. Use image facades for interactive elements. This means instead of preloading YouTube videos or chat embeds, for example, you can use an image that's only triggered when it's clicked on. Test your pages and disable any assets that are not needed. Then use WordPress functions to deregister and dequeue any unnecessary scripts or styles that are loading. Still not seeing the results you want? It may be time to revisit your theme. Avoid themes with excessive features and unneeded complex design elements. A lightweight, well-coded WordPress theme can deliver faster loading times. Need help with performance? Talk to the experts at InMotion Hosting. Fast, reliable, InMotion Hosting.